cool.
Don't eat one of them, man.
Oh. Here you go. Hold this one out.
Right out of my hand, Bob, from my child. Should have been
oh, man.
Would have been different.
Right.
Huh? If I had a longer cry, it would have been different.
Oh, my God.
My thumb. I pulled off with me, took off with me.
Jeez.
We should have brought more down here.
I know, that was great.
You make the fries longer, you don't need?
Yeah.
Then hold it up like that and watch it schedule.
Yep.
Oh, you got it across the thumb here, man. You grabbed my thumb. He said, I'm going to get that sucker. All you got to do is just treat your jokes up.
Yep.
Interesting, huh?
Yeah, that's cool.
That's the one that did it. Look like that.
This one right here, huh?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
You got him to hold my thumb, man. He would have took off with me if he could have. He smells like fries.